And the last one. So now we're taking Prabhupada from his appearance, Advent in Calcutta, then his Diksha, then his honoring his Bhaktivedanta, then his Tikas and Bhagavatam, then his ISKCON, his Radha Damodar, then ISKCON, temples and prasad and book distribution and devotees and deities, Kishore Kishori in Chicago. All glories to Sri Kishore, Lord Krishna, and to Sri Kishori, Srimati Radharani, the ISKCON deities located in Chicago, USA. That's the name of the deities, Kishore Kishori. Once a devotee asked Srila Prabhupada, why does Radharani's name, Kishori, appear at the end, when everywhere else in every other temple her name comes before Krishna? Radha Govinda, Radha Madhav, Radha Shamsundar, Radha Damodar, Radha Gopinath. Srila Prabhupada smiled sweetly and said, why? Because we always save the best for last. Radha Rani ki jai, Kishori Radha Rani ki jai. Jai, what is it now? Jai Hari Nama Jai. All glories to the holy names of Krishna, and all glories to Srila Prabhupada's BBT, the Bhaktivedanta Book Trust, which we had the good fortune to be able to serve in some small way for 6 years, 75 to 81, full-time book distribution in the airports, distributing Bhagavatams, Gita. Now the final shlok. Jaya Shuddha Nama Jaya Brajavasasha Jaya Guru Kripa Jaya Dina Nityadas. All glories to the pure chanting of the holy names of Radha and Krishna. Jai Shuddhanam Jai. All glories to the desire to reside in Brajadam, Brajavasa Asha. Asha means hope. Asha. Brajavasa Asha. Only by receiving your mercy, Srila Prabhupada, and by purely chanting the holy names of Radha and Krishna, can this fallen eternal servant of yours ever fulfill his desire to live eternally in Vrindavan. Jaya Guru Kripa Jaya Dina Nityadas. Generally it's a tradition in Padakartas, songwriters of Bengali Vaishnava songs, that they end a song with their name. Narottama Das, Bhakti Vinod, this, that. So we didn't want to put our name, so we put our name in a covered way, Dina Nityadas. That's a glorification of Prabhupada.